Hello, it's Chef Char. I am back at the grill again. I'm on my deck in Whitehall, Michigan, and I have the Himalayan salt block out on the grill and ready to go. I am making salt block beef fajitas. I started with some top round roast, trimmed it up and cut it into small bite-sized pieces so that you can eat it in a fajita. You can also use skirt steak or flank steak or boneless skinless chicken breast or even shrimp in this recipe. I place it into a sealable plastic bag along with some lime juice, some minced garlic, ground black pepper, chili powder, smoked paprika, some cumin, and a little bit of olive oil. Notice I did not say I put any salt in there. I'll get to that in a second. Marinate that in the refrigerator for about an hour. And I cut up some onions and some bell peppers, place that on a hot grill on some foil, added some olive oil. We're going to caramelize those veggies. And here's where the salt comes in. I placed that meat that I had marinated right on that salt block. It's pulling the salt out of that block. Oh, nice caramelized veggies. Let's plate. I put down some flour tortillas, corn tortillas, along with that, the marinated meat that we made, some queso fresco, and some Mexican blend cheese, along with that, some guacamole, salsa, and sour cream. Now, why did I do 2 tortillas? Because those corn tortillas fall apart before you even finish one of these. So that extra tortilla is for security. Don't believe me? Well, take a bite and see for yourself. Open wide. This is Chef Char, and I love to have fun in the kitchen, and I hope you do too. I hope everyone is eating well and staying well and getting through all this. Bye.